Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to organize your photos in Google Photos step by step. If your photo library is getting crowded, organizing your pictures into albums is one of the easiest ways to keep everything neat and easy to find. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos homepage, browse through your photo library and select the photos you'd like to organize. After selecting your photos, click the Add to button at the top of the page. From the menu, choose Album. You can either add the photos to an existing album or create a brand new one. If you're creating a new album, enter a name that makes it easy to recognize, then save it. Your selected photos will now be organized inside that album. To view your albums later, open the Collections section and select Albums. Here you'll find all of the albums you've created. You can always add more photos to an album by selecting additional pictures, clicking Add to, and choosing the same album. You can also use the search feature in Google Photos to quickly find photos by date, location, or other details, making it even easier to organize your library. Keeping your photos organized helps you find your favorite memories faster and keeps your Google Photos library clean and easy to manage. And that's how you can organize photos in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.